Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video on the VW Touran. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing the dash, removing the front seats, and all being well, we'll be doing the dash swap in the Caddy and the front seat swap for now. I know we're going to do the rear seats at a later date, but it's a little bit more involved. So, just a little refresher. This is what's going to be going into my VW Caddy and these seats as well. The whole centre console is going to be going in as well. Okay, so we're going to make a start by removing the seats first. We're going to take the driver's seat out. We're going to go around to the passenger side to get the passenger seat out, and then it just gives us a little bit more room to get the dash out. So we'll get some tools and we'll make a start getting the seat out. We're going to make a start on the dash now. I'm going to get camera set up. I'm going to start taking this out. I don't know if that needs to come out first. We'll have a look. I've got the glove box out now, just taking the steering wheel off. We've got the clocks out. Guys, it's the next day now. Finally got everything out. That was an absolute nightmare to get out. The vents that go into the back, they were stuck inside, to just break them out. So I've ordered some new ones then already. So, see the armrest there. What they don't tell you is that you need to remove the airbag from in under the dash, because you undo these two bolts here. One there, but then there's two on top that you can't get to. So that was a bit of a faff. There's the airbag there. We can give the seats a good clean up. I've got the Caddy outside ready to make a start on that, but before we do that, I do want to give all these parts a bit of a clean up. So I'll do that. Once that's done, I'll come back in and then we'll make a start on the Caddy. Whilst the other dash is drying, we're going to make a start on this one. Let's get all that crap out. We'll take the seats out. Just look how dusty he is. How dirty he is, and he's good clean. So I've got these wheels on it. I'll show you. I don't think I've showed you guys yet. Pick these up for 150 quid. So they do need a refurb, but yeah. Anyway, so make a start getting these seats out. Actually, I'm gonna make a start giving it a clean out first. So let's do that. Before we start stripping this out. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like at the moment. So you've got seat covers on there, centre console, absolute state of it. Look, we're not going to be putting the carpets in out of the Touran because obviously I'm using it for work, so yeah, we're going to clean all that up, but we're going to be keeping that in. £3.76. Look. We've got Flopsy Bunny, whatever that is. Okay, now obviously we've got the seat out. I've given it a bit of a clean up as it was filthy. We'll give it a proper clean up once we've got the other seat and all the dash and stuff out. We have more room to work with. The lower section out of the dash. The centre console is ready to come out, but we need to get the dash out first. All that's left to do, move the steering wheel, the stalks, and then it should more or less be ready to come out. So this has been a lot easier than the other one for some reason, I suppose because I've got more of an idea of where all the bits are. It's daylight as well, so it just makes life a lot easier. But yeah, that's where we're at the moment. Obviously on the Touran, we've got the ducts go under there, because obviously when we put the rear seats in, the control vents. So we've got to run that under, but let's get this out and then we can worry about that after. Dash and centre console's now out. Didn't take the steering wheel out. I dropped the steering column. Them two bolts there just drops down. It's a lot easier, less work. So we have to take these B pillars off, A pillars. They had to come off in order to get the dash out, which is here. So just gonna have a bit of a clean up. Get all the parts out. Then we're going to start running that duct in. Goes from here. Oh, see them blanking plates. Goes onto them and runs across up to when that does come out. Goes up to there. So yeah, have a little bit of a clear up. And we'll come back. I'll come back in once that's all run. Now I've got that duct in. Goes to under there, so that gives us a base to obviously attach all the bolts and stuff. So I had to take the handbrake, disconnect the handbrake there, actually take the handbrake out itself to feed that under there, because obviously it didn't have enough clearance on the bulkhead. So we are going to get the rest of the centre console in first, and then yeah, we're good to start building it back up. It is getting a little bit dark now. Oh, I need to change that and that bracket there. The centre bracket I've already taken out, so I'm going to do it now. I'll change that. I've already taken that one off, and I'll change these three here. We've now got the Touran dash in, centre consoles in as well. So we're going to start bolting it back up. We've got this in as well. Now I do have another one of these I've just ordered. I paid 20 quid for. I tried to get the bulkhead out, but it involves ripping up the ply on the floor, which I haven't got the time to do at the moment, which I will be doing when we do the rear seats. But this was hitting on that, so what I've done is I've notched a little bit around that for now. Then when it comes to doing the rear seat conversion, we obviously use the one that we've ordered. So yeah, that's on both sides as well. At least it fits properly, all the screws are screwed in. So this is the current state of play. Gave it a good clean. So we're ready to start bolting it back together. Like to make a makeshift roof. It's not like it's doing much, but it's coming through, but better than nothing. But yeah, we'll get this bolted up and then I'll come back once we've got more or less everything in. I need to give it a good clean out here again because it's got all mucky whilst we've been working. But yeah, coming along now, finally. Quickly, whilst I'm doing it, where the auxiliary port was there before, this dashboard doesn't have it, so I'm just trying to find where's best to relocate it. So I've decided that we're going to be fitting it, there's a box that goes in there into that part there. So what I've done, I've made up a loom. It's going to run from there through here, underneath, and then into that section there. That wire you can see there, that runs under there, comes through here, down the inside there, it runs under this, comes up, and it will go around there. So happy with that. Right, so we can finally get that glove box put in. We can start building up the rest of this centre section. We can get that centre console bit in there. Clocks can go in, the lower dash there can go in. So yeah, we're just sort of cracking on, and then we can give it a good clean out and get them seats put back in. Guys, we've now got the dash in, it's all done, everything's all bolted up, the glove box there, we've got all the seats put in, got these A-pillars, they call A-pillars? V-pillars. Got these plastic trims put back in as well, all fits as it should. So yeah, that's one job ticked off the list, and the seats as well, and obviously this. So obviously the next job will be doing the window conversion, electric windows, so that will be coming. So we've still got to take the engine out of the Touran, take the rear seats out, and take the rear seat mounts out as well, drill out the spot welds on them, and then obviously that'll be a job to do at some point in here. Take this out, and then yeah, we can crack on with that. But that's going to be all for today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. That would be very much appreciated. And if you're not following us already on Instagram, it's at Car Trader Diary, so go and check us out there. I'll be putting little sneak peeks up on there and stuff. So yeah, thanks for joining me, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.